test drive the 2022 Rogue Sport. The Nissan Rogue Sport is a subcompact SUV that provides all the functionality. A smooth ride, lots of cargo room, and a roomy back seat is a recipe for a pleasant traveling experience. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, tires front all season. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.